under bed, so my cat will not like scratch the bed. Well, not scratch it, but like break it. Because there's like a little wire, not a wire, but let's go with like a wire that holds the bed together. And my cat goes under the bed, he sees the wire and starts playing with it. And scratching it and breaking it and stuff, you know. So sometimes I have a feeling my bed is gonna break and that's it, you know. So not gonna be a fun one. All right, that's number 10, ladies and gentlemen. Right? So that's why if I put something under there, my cat's gonna be scared to go and, you know, it's gonna be fine. All right, 4118 minutes, number 10, guys. Brand on 8 and Z, what's that? XCY, the top 3. Alright, my brain cells are barely working. Alright, do you like Minecraft? I do. I used to be a Minecraft YouTuber back in like 2012. So yeah, then I had Minecraft YouTube channel. Alright, like everybody. Alright, 3x10 everybody, Tom Slot. So I had that one. So yeah. Who wins World Cup? Good question though. Do you work another job? No. I'm not a person who's how to say like hard working, you know. I do my job and then, you know, that's it. You know, I'm not trying so much, you know, most of the time. 3079 one is number 1. Astrum M1888. The top guys enjoy the ones now. Alright. So I'm good with one job, you know, so. Alright. What is your YouTube channel's name? I'm not gonna tell you, man. There's some embarrassing videos. I did some very awkward things in those days, so no thanks, bro. I see. If Latvia will ever make the World Cup, will you cheer for them? I mean, sure, but the thing is, it will never happen, so. Latvia is not good at football to make it into the World Cup. Not in football World Cup, like FIFA one, right? Nah. Don't think we can get there, you know. It feels like every other team has to play blindfolded. Then maybe we can win. Other than that, no shot, right? No chance. I think every other player has to go blind. All right, that's number 10, though. 4,083 win is this 10. All right, we got Abraham again at 1375 euros a time, though. XCY.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
With this guy? Well, sounds like a skill issue, my friend. All right. Gotta get better than that, bud. Gotta get better. All right. Hi, Leonard. How much does Crazy Tom pay? You mean like to me or like what? Go apply to Asia, maybe you'll qualify, but doubt so. Like I said, if the players go blind, sure, we can win. But, you know. Like I said, like, the thing is, in football, Latvia's, like, we peaked at, like, 2004, 2006 or something. That was, like, the best times in Latvian football, and since then, it's all went downhill. That's it, right? That's 2, everybody. 3,699 players in 2, guys, right? WLS, XZY, and M1, the top guys. All right, let's go, everybody. Betting time. I want to play all yours. Fitting questions, feel free to ask in chat. And let's go again. For example, I wanted to do sports back in the day, like 10 years ago. Aldrich is good striker. Okay, Aldrich is, yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I mean, there are some players that are okay in Latvia, yeah. Aldrich is, for example, there was this one guy who plays in Polish league. He scored 4 goals, like a couple weeks ago, like a week ago or 2, right? Something like that. Forgot his name, some guy. Marius Verpakovskis. Oh, I mean, that. All right, 3009 winners, number 1, guys. I bet you will. Continue on Moku, the top guys. What is the average price to purchase a nice big 4-bedroom house in Riga? Are you talking about a house or are you talking about apartments? Again, this guy says, tell me your monthly salary. Why? Both. Okay, in the city, a house, I don't know how much. I don't look at houses, I'm too scared. Maybe $500,000. Maybe more, maybe less, I don't know. Depends on area, which, you know. An apartment, 4-room apartment, again, depends on what kind of house. Is it a new house built? Like a new apartment complex, or is it from the Soviet Union times? Right, again, that's a big question. What state